Still ahead on 680 News Radio after traffic and weather together on the ones.
No more crying from Aerosmith fans as the band prepares to go back on the road for its farewell tour.
680 News Time, 7:20.
Breaking Lottomax Dream News. With Friday's Lottomax jackpot at an estimated $65 million, plus an estimated 8 Max Millions. Maxed out dreams are rapidly popping up across the country, turning pools into lakefront cottages, boats into super yachts, decks into rooftop spas. It's dreaming like we've never dreamed before. Friday's Lottomax jackpot is an estimated $65 million, plus an estimated 8 Max Millions. Why dream to the bid when you can dream to the max?
Have you been on antidepressants for over a year without relief? I'm Dr. Leo Steiner. I want to tell you about a medical breakthrough that may finally provide the relief you've been waiting for. For years, this treatment has been available all over the U.S., but not in Canada. It's called TMS. TMS doesn't use drugs.